One day, a man took his grandfather to the doctor for a hearing test. Man, doctor, my grandpa can't hear anything properly. Grandpa, huh? What did he say? Man, see. That's the problem. The doctor examined the old man and finally said, Doctor, sir, you need a hearing aid. Grandpa, what? Doctor, I said, you need a hearing aid. Grandpa, oh, okay. How much does it cost? Doctor, it depends. Some are $500, some are $1,000, and the best ones go up to $5,000. The grandpa thought for a moment and said, do you have one for $5? Doctor, what? A hearing aid for $5. Grandpa, yes, it's called Speak Louder.